Let's talk about some plants that you should be planting in your summer projects this year. Right here we have Hydrangea Paniculada. This variety happens to be called Little Lime. It's definitely a super popular variety because it stays more compact than its parent buddy plant, Limelight, and the blooms last for a really long time. So they start out this lime to creamy white, and then towards the end of August into September, they fade to a really pretty pink blush, sort of like a dusty rose color. And these are awesome for cut flower gardens, for foundation plantings. You can plant them in a wood line. You can get bigger Hydrangea Paniculada and let them go crazy. Hydrangea Paniculada are just a really great summer plant. For another summer staple that you should be planting on your projects, we have Spirea. This happens to be Anthony Waterer. Anthony Waterer is probably our most common and well-known Spirea. Now, what's nice about these is if you see in front of me, this is about half past. Like, it still has a bunch of open blooms. There's a few blooms that have passed. And if you look beyond me and to the left of me a little bit, these blooms have still passed, but they're still offering a bit of color interest. And when the entire plant has passed, when the bloom time is up, you can prune down. You can pick any sort of set of leaves and prune just above it. And you'll usually get another flush of flowers before the end of the season. So Spirea are great because you can plant them in full sun, and then once they're established, you can leave them alone and they'll do their thing. And then here we have Spirea Blue Kazoo, which I love because it has these really pretty blue-gray leaves with a maroon edge to them. And the new growth is sort of light and red, but that maroon edge with the blue is super pretty and different. And these are a little bit different than other Spirea, or a lot different than other Spirea because of the leaf shape. And these will bloom a white. So these will pair well with roses, they'll pair well with Hydrangea Paniculada, or if you wanted to do a really pretty perennial garden, this would be a great filler for that. I would plant these along a foundation, along a wood line, just really a great versatile plant. All right, for some more summer plant ideas, we have some viburnum here. This one is Viburnum nudum Winterthur. This is a great plant. You can see it has really shiny, pretty, almost leathery leaves. And this has 3 seasons of interest. You start out with some white flowers in the spring, and then you get some purpley blue berries in the fall. Also, we'll get like a really deep burgundy fall color. So this is a great plant for 3 seasons of interest. Here we have arrowwood viburnum. This variety is glitters and glows. This stays a little bit more compact than your normal arrowwood viburnum. This also offers you 3 seasons of interest. You get white flowers in the spring, you'll get berries towards the end of summer going into fall, and then you'll get a pretty fall color with the leaves just before they shed for the winter. Liked what you saw? Call your Weston Wholesale sales rep today or open an account with us. See you in the next video.